dance for?
Taunton Live Flashmob 2017.
We hope you enjoy this song by the Wurzels.
This is Hannah Carolan, our choreographer. Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm going to be talking you through the chorus of the Wurzels song. We're going to be signing in this section, so watch carefully. I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I've got 20 acres and you've got 43. Now I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. I've got a brand new combine harvester. I'll give you the key. Come on now, let's get together in perfect harmony. I've got 20 acres and you've got 43. I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key. Okay, we're going to do the verse now. So we're going to grapevine to the right and we're going to take a step with our right foot, step behind, step together, and then to the left, step behind, step together. Okay, we'll try that all in 1, 6, 7, and step behind, step together. We're then going to box step, okay, with our right leg. We're going to cross over the front with our left, back with our right, back with our left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 6, 7, 8. Heel, swap legs, left and round. Okay, so it's toe, heel and toe, heel, toe, heel and toe, heel. That's when the chorus kicks in.
Now let's try it with music.
Hey! your brand new gaiters and your party right fast. In your new Sunday dress with your perfume smelling breath.
Downhill.
We are full of stuff in a soda and
We hope you all join us
On Sunday, 30th of July.
for Taunton Live Flashmob on Castle Green at 2 p.m.
Everyone